So we're learning today Nishmas Etta Ahuva Me'ilah Perek Daled Mishnah Beis. So this Perek we should have spoken about yesterday is speaking about different items that are mitzvah one with the other. Zakna Mishnah Chamisha Dvarim Ba'ila. There are 5 things in the carbon oila that are mitzvah in zeh. Habasar v'hachelev, the basar and the emurim of the carbon, and then the soilus and the yayin and the shemen, the soilus and the shemen from the Minchas Nesachim, and the yayin from the Minchas Nesachim. So there's a Rashi that speaks legabi what, but Tosfos in Zvachim Daf Kuf Tes Amud Aleph, the Bar Mascha Illa brings this Mishnah, and he goes through all the things. He says, "V'teima le'inya mai ka'amar legabi what are we talking about that it's mitzvah? Ila inya Me'ilah, if it's inya Me'ilah, so that was Mishnah Aleph. Mishnah Aleph said, Kodshei mizbeach mitztarfen zem zeh leMe'ilah. So it's already included in that. I l'schayev bachutz, which the Gemara talks about over here, the Gemara Me'ilah, but the Gemara says only the oila and the emurim are mitztaref, but not the soilus, the yayin, and the shemen. V'ila inyan lizarik aleim hadam, which is also discussed in the Gemara. Again, that would only be legabi the oila and the emurim. V'ila inyan machsheves pigel, if it's le'inyan machsheves pigel, frektoisis ein achila v'haktara mitzdarfen, then you don't put the basar and the emurim together. So by oila it's good, but by the next line in the Mishnah it's going to be shver by taida. So Tosfos says, "V'nira demayri le'inyan achila, the mechayev ha'oichel mishum pigel noiser v'tamei." It's negeya that if you eat from it, then you mechayev pigel noiser v'tamei. The last Mishnah said that also. V'chayev alem mishum pigel noiser v'tamei. So Tosfos says that's b'min echad. Our Mishnah is telling me even b'kama minim. Then Tosfos continues to say that we're going like the shita of Rameir that says on Minchas Nesachim and Nesachim b'fnei atzma you could have the chiyuv pigel. Tosfos ends off. How can you have chaylev and yayim mitzaref? Chaylev is because something that's eaten, mashkin is drinking, so that's a revius. So Tosfos hani mile b'shtia, avol derech achila sheshara pita b'yenoi is shira b'kazayis, and the share of yayin is also going to be a kazay. So that's ba'arichas, and then the Ma'aser Rashi says the nafkamina is legabi 3 things. He does say there's a nafkamina legabi b'mayla b'chod. Sounds like he's arguing on Tosfos. He says what Tosfos says is nafkamina pigel noiser v'tamei, and then he also says it's nafkamina Me'ilah, and that would answer this part of the Mishnah, but not the next line of the Mishnah, which is talking about a toida, which is kodshei kalim. So then there's no Me'ilah. Shisha b'toida. By toida you add basically the lechem. So you have the basar, chaylev, soilus, yayin, shemen, v'halechem. The Mishnah ends off with a different halacha of tzirif, unrelated to kachim. Hatruma, trumas meiser shel d'mai. Truma, which you could give midaraisa mashu, midarabanan echad, 1/50, 2 from 100. Trumas meiser, which is the Levi gives to the kohen 10th of the 10th, and trumas meiser shel d'mai, as well as the Mishnah Achala v'habikurim, all of them are mitzdarfin zeh. Legabe what? Over here the Mishnah tells us le'isser, that if truma falls into chulin, it has a halacha of truma. L'chayv aleim es hachomesh, that if you eat from it a kazayis b'shegeg, you pay a chomesh. The Gemara says, my time on this part of the Mishnah is kulu ikri truma. All these are ikri truma. The first 3, trumas meiser, and trumas meiser shel d'mai is pasha, and chala and bikurim. The Gemara brings a pasuk that it's also ikri truma. Mishnah Gimel kol hapigula mitzdarfen zeh im zeh, which Tosfos speaks out. We already said this halacha, but it's coming more for the next halacha. Kol hanisara mitzdarfen zeh zeh, which again we said. And this is the main part of the Mishnah. It's called nevela is mitzdarfen zu ezu. You could have nevela of a behema tahira and nevela of behema tameya, and they're mitzdarf together. Here the Mishnah doesn't say what, and the Gemara is a machlekes. Rav says leishana le'inyan tuma. We're talking about tuma, that if you touch a nevela of a behema tahira or nevela of behema tameya, it'll be mitzdarf to the shir kazayis, that you become tamei. Have a le'inyan achila is ta'ira b'fnei atzma and t'meim b'fnei atzma, and you're not going to be over 2 different lavin. Rashi says because ein iser chalal iser, more like that in the Gemara later on. However, Rav Levi argues and says afila achila nami mitzdarfim zagrashi de kosover iser chalal iser, because he holds that iser is chalal iser. The Mishnah continues kol hashrotzim mitzdarfim zeh zeh. Gabi, that if you eat them, kazayis are going to be over the lav of achilas sheret. Now the Gemara says, Amar of Yehuda Marav, the achilas shratzim loika love b'kizayis, that the shear is a kizayis. However, the Gemara asks from a brisa that says ma tuma b'chadasha, which is talking about specifically the shmoina shratzim, which are metame, and over there the shear is adasha. Af achila b'chadasha, and the Gemara says, yeah, that's talking about b'misasan when it's metame. But b'chayein it would be dafka b'kizayis. Mishnah ends off, dam hasheretz u'besoroi mitztaref. The dam is mitztaref to the basar, to the shear of the sheretz. Halal Amar Rabbi Yeshua, kol shetumase v'shiura shava. If the tuma and the shear are the same, Rashi says, kagoy nevela u'nevela. Oy, let's say you take two of the shmoina shratzim, like a choylin and an achbar, mitztaref, and then they're going to be mitztaref. However, tumase v'loy shiura. So Rashi, like a sheretz and an avela, that the tumah is the same because they're both tumas erev, but the shear is not the same because in avela the shear is a kazayis and a sheretz is kadasha, or shiuroi veloy tumasai, like an avela and a mace, that they're both mitama b'kazayis, but the amount of tumah mace is tami tumah zayin and avela is only tumas erev. A mitzdarfen or loy tumasai veloy shiuroi, like a mace and a sheretz. So then a mitzdarfen, then they're not mitzdaref. The Gemara and Yuma that pay Aleph an Aleph that this Kalal Amar Rabbi Yeshua is only Rabbi Yeshua Shita, and the Tanakama argues on it.